Well, hello boys and girls. I've been banished to the kitchen because the good lady, she who must be obeyed, has been working nights, so she's a better kip. But hey, still November, so hence the I suppose best shave the rest of it. Anyway, a 1961 Fenton Weill Cornet amp, and I think it's about time for some new valves, or tubes as the colonials say. So let's see how it goes, a before and after, if you think. Let's turn this up, which could be scary. We'll only be for a few seconds. So block your ears up and we'll take it. Not three bad, but I think some of the valves have been in there for 40 years. I've had this for the best part of 20, and I haven't changed anything. Oh, by the way, it's the Harley Benson Tree of Life HP 24, which is a nice guitar, a whole 150 quid. So, we'll have a look at this, and then you decide exactly what I'm doing wrong. Okay, here we are with the important parts. Perhaps even more important. If you are going to replace the valves or muck about in a valve amplifier, one, make sure it's unplugged, and two, make sure there's no power still within the bits and pieces, so leave it for a good 10 minutes, like what I have. Now, got ECC 83, an EL 84, and a CZ 80, which you don't see very much of these days. So I'm sure you don't need or would like to watch me replace these. There's plenty of other channels that do it better than me. Check them out. But here we go, what we've got anyway. Never heard of them. We've got the bits and pieces. If anyone is wondering, I've got these from... Yeah, why did they put the wrong numbers on? Got these from Watford Valves, which I believe is the... Well, I can't find a better deal. But, oh, and when you are doing it, make sure you put some gloves on. It won't do a tremendous amount of damage, if any. But, caution. Back with the new ones in there. Everything seems to be pressed firmly down. Obviously don't take the sledgehammer to it. To what we took out. Even including a probably 55-year-old Mallard valve. Stick that on eBay maybe. Another 50 pence I might get. But everything, yeah, don't force them in there. Make sure you've got the returning clips back on. Everything looks okay. So the moment of disappointment coming up. So we be back. Everything's exactly the same. I'll just turn it on. And actually, I might have some kind of control on the tone. What I've got here is just one tone and two volumes, two inputs. And that's the way I kind of like it. Less of a chance for things to go wrong. Also, I've opened all the doors, so if it does go badly, I can chuck it outside PDQ. Now, let's have a look. Well, that seems clearer already. Is all about more about half volume. Ooh, I didn't ask how everybody is doing. Hope you're good. I've got some new subscribers, which is nice, but book yourselves into therapy now. You have years of mental scarring after watching this. So give it a full whack. How much control have I got on the Guitar? Yes. Still can't smell anything, so that's probably a good sign. What's today's little adventure? Let's change the subject again. There's many people going on this Patreon stuff. Now, I don't think it's really worth me doing that, but if I did, I'd only ask for £3.60 a month. That would get me a free pint. Or would it be free because I have to do all the work for doing this? We'll catch you later, boys and girls. Chaps and chapettes. Well, I suppose that's about it.